In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a slide in your presentation. Whether you're setting up for a business meeting, preparing a class lecture, or just creating a fun slideshow. Knowing how to efficiently duplicate slides can save you a lot of time and effort. To get started, look at the left sidebar of your screen. This is where you'll find the slide thumbnails, which give you a quick overview of your entire presentation. Now you want to select the slide you wish to duplicate. Simply click on the slide thumbnail once and you'll notice it's highlighted, indicating that it's been selected. This is an important step because any action you take next will apply to this slide. Now you have a couple of options to duplicate the slide. The first method involves using the top menu. Direct your attention to the menu bar at the top of your presentation screen. Look for the option that says Slide. Once you click on Slide, a drop-down menu will appear. Here, you'll see a number of different options, but for our purpose, you're going to select Duplicate Slide. This action will immediately create an identical copy of your selected slide right next to it in the slide order. It's a really neat way to quickly generate a duplicate without altering your original slide. The second method is equally simple and can sometimes feel even more intuitive. Go back to the slide thumbnail on the left sidebar, which should still be highlighted. Instead of going to the top menu, right-click directly on this thumbnail. When you right-click, a context menu will appear with various options. One of these options is Duplicate Slide. Click on it, and just like that, you've created a cloned version of your chosen slide. Both methods achieve the same result, so you can use whichever one you find more convenient or intuitive. Whether you go through the top menu or right-click directly on the slide, the process is designed to be quick and easy, making it an indispensable skill as you work on perfecting your presentation. Duplicating slides is incredibly useful when you want to carry over the layout, theme, or specific content you've already created. It helps ensure consistency throughout your presentation and allows you to build on what you've already accomplished without starting from scratch. This approach not only saves you time, but also helps maintain uniformity, which can be particularly important in professional or academic settings. That's it for today's tutorial. You've now learned an efficient way to duplicate slides in your presentation tool of choice. Practice this a few times, and soon it will be second nature as you work through your projects. Thank you for watching, and happy presenting!